Alright guys, in my last video I gave a quick introduction about C++ and whatever is written on the screen. I explained kind of in detail what is its purpose to be over there, and now I'm going to talk about variables and comments. So over here it's just a sentence. So now let's create a variable. So to create a variable you have to talk about the data type. If I type integer, it means a number literally, like not decimals, just a number. Like it cannot be in 1.5, 2.5. It's gonna be just number 2 or 22 or 2022. That's it. And I have to give this data type a number, a variable. Let's give it a variable like a. So over here I'm declaring a variable, and over here I am initializing by setting it to some value, like for example 10 and then semicolon. I was able to do everything over here in one step. I can also do it like that, like integer a is equal to 10, but I wanted to show you like how to do it in different steps. Like a is equal to 10. So when you are writing a code, you can comment each line. So it is so helpful and it looks so good. A lot of like if you're doing a project for your school or college, like professors like it a lot, and a lot of professors give extra credit on it. So how you can create a comment like this: declaring variable a, initializing variable, and then to display this variable you can type a over here. And now my terminal, now I saved that file. Now I'm going to compile it. To compile it I have to go in the directory where the file is saved, and then I have to write g++ dot dash o, and then I have to give it a name, and then I have to mention the name of the file, and then I have to write the name of the program by dot slash and bash, and you can see here is written 10. So you can, like, if your professor said, hey, just print the number 10, or you want to print the number 10, it's all alone and sometimes it doesn't make any sense. So you can literally create a like give it a name or something, like a is equal to, and then 10 will display out over there. A is equal to 10. It is like it was able to write 10 over here. It's exact same thing, but sometimes things get so complicated and you cannot do everything like this in the comment, in the cout statement, everything you cannot write it. So yeah, now I can create another variable like this, comma b. So I'm creating two variables over here, a and b. B is equal to 20. Now let me print b. And a is equal to, and then b is equal to, And sometimes you can do a lot of creative stuff with the outer statement. It is console input statement, like program uh, displaying variables. That's it. And it will look good and it will make sense too, like this. Program displaying variables. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Now you can change the variable value of A to like this, A plus plus. It means A plus 1. Whatever the value of A is, 1 will get add to it. It will whatever the value it is, 1 will get increased. So compile, run. There you go. Now it is 11. And you can do b plus plus 2, and then the value of b will get 21 now. So let's say incrementing b by 1. So it was a quick review how to initialize, declare variable, how to initialize them, how to increment the value, and incrementing over here and not writing the variable, the number of variable over here, as can be efficient, but when you will go on advanced level, you need all that stuff, like how to initialize a value, how to increment a value. Like incrementing is used on many different places and it is so helpful later on. So b++ will increment the value only by 1, and if you want to increment the value by more numbers, then you can do b plus equal to 5, which means b is equal to whatever the value of b plus 5. So value of b is 20 plus 5, 25. So let's compile it and run it. So it's gonna be 25. And instead of doing a++, if we write a plus equal to 10, it means a is equal to a plus 10. So it's gonna be 20. Yes. Alright. So pretty much we today learned how to deal with variables and how to increment values in different way, like a++ or a plus equal to number. And we learned how to do commenting, how to use commenting, which is pretty useful. It makes the code so sensible for if you're working on a group. It will be so awesome thing, like your group members don't have to ask you again and again, like, hey, what this means, what this line means, and you will also know what it means, but for future reference. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up if it was helpful for you, and please do subscribe my channel. Alright guys, have a good day.